I put it in drive. Go ahead. Come back in reverse again. You'll be fine, just go slow. Okay. Go back to drive. You can go ahead and park it, thank you.